Welcome back everyone to another Tech Basics tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Deepseek AI application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Deepseek AI application on your device and you will be taken into the home page. Make sure to confirm with the terms and conditions by clicking on the checkbox and then tap on Sign Up to create your new account. You will then be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in your email address and then create a password for your account. Type in this password once again for confirmation and then click on Send Code. This will now send a verification code on the email address that you have just chosen. So check your inbox to find this verification code and now finally tap on Sign Up. Now your account is ready to use. Tap on the Start Chat button to start using the Deepseek AI application right away. So there you have it. That is how you can sign up and create a new account on Deepseek AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.